Hey guys. Continuing the New York session, yeah. That's what happens right now. And look at this. Nothing went lower. Everything is just going higher and higher. I believe we're going for the what's the high on this one? We're going for 76. That's the level for now. At least that's what I think. But you know, who knows? Who knows? I have no positions. In the London session, I pretty much gave back my profits on the evaluation account, so since then nothing has happened. Just going sideways. Pretty much a bullish day, that's for sure. I'd like to see, well, 930s or 40s, but there's no retest of these lows. So I'm not sure what we can look for. Could be one of those days when nothing is moving. We might have to go down subatomic, you know. No retest, nothing so far. Comics are about to open. So we'll see if it brings some volume to the market. So far there's no level I like here. We do have some liquidity voids, one at 82, I think. On the 5 minute, yeah, right there. This is not an order block. 5 minute has an order block. The low of that is 86.50. Going to put a line there. $86.50. And I might going to choose a different account, like this one. 86.50, right down there. So that's all we have. $15-minute fair value gap, that's all. Okay. I don't see anything else. We're pretty much holding the 900 level here. So as long as 900 is going to hold, Who knows? Comics opened up. Gold is spiking higher. Took out yesterday's... Friday's low. So that's bullish. ES also looking to go higher. Sticking with the NQ for now. It's pretty much bullish. Jan Hammer, hey there. 600 to 800 contracts got written, and then someone bid another 800. Wow. Stacked at 35. Yeah, I was watching that level at 35. That one got pulled. Oh, spooky. Absolutely spooky. I don't even know this. I mean, this whole movement spooks me out a little bit, to be honest. It's a little bit weird. But I think we could go higher. If you look to the left, we have these wicks here. And we have equal highs up there at 76. This area right now could be just accumulation phase to push it a little bit more. At least that's what I could imagine. But nothing else. 3-year plan. Hey there. Simon 900 everyone, just for reference. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. 3-year plan. Passed MyFundedFutures 100k. Congratulations. Let me give you an applause. That's a nice job. Sorry, I'm a little bit slow, but I'm a little bit tired. Congratulations. That's a good job. Someone wants NQ to go higher again. Yeah, it's definitely still bullish. It's still not finished with the move. Could go above the 20s up to the 30s from here. So I guess we'll see. But it does look bullish. Yeah. I said got pulled. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. That's what we don't know. But if you look to the 15-minute chart, look to the left here. I mean, this area up there, Friday high at 79. And this wick almost got through it. This here, to the left on Friday, London session. This is actually an order block. So here, they didn't make it. What if the plan right now is to take it out? I don't know. Methodical man, hey there. Good to see you, man. the man of the hour. Good to see you. 98 relative equal highs. Yes, I'm watching it. I'm watching it too. Yeah. That is an interesting area. I like it. How was the weekend, Myth? Hope you had a good weekend. We're basically out of volume range, yeah. Good. All right. Good. By the way, I just wanted to ask you. As I said last week, I asked for the payout from Bulenox, but the account is still the same after Friday, so it's still showing the same balance. But I guess they're going to deduct it on Wednesday, maybe. I guess. But yeah, all right. What is the minimum trading days on Bulenox on the founder account? They typically do it on Tuesday. What is the minimum? Should I push the button once every week like at MyFundedFutures? 10 days. I mean, yes, but you know, do I have to flip the account once every week or every month? TopStep has it for once every 30 days. MyFundedFutures once every week. Every 10 days, I guess, right? I don't know. So I haven't touched it since last Wednesday. Already show. Okay, there. Okay. So I haven't touched any trade on that account since Wednesday. Just want to make sure. All right. Hey, Pips Hunter. Thanks for the info. How you doing? No news. Look at this, guys. Absolutely nothing. Almost empty. Totally empty. Yeah, I mean, I have another Bulenox funded account, but under these conditions, I'm not sure I want to trade it. It's very bad conditions, in my opinion, right now to trade the funded account. I might not even going to touch any funded accounts today. So this morning, I traded this account. Which one was it? This account I traded up to almost 51,000 and I gave back almost all of the profits. This is just evaluation account. So, but here is the Bulenox account that I requested the payout. It's still unchanged. I have another Bulenox account which is untouched yet, funded, and I have this Apex account. I only need like $614 to get to that payout. Jackson, hey, good to see you, Jackson. How you doing? What's the 50 execution rule on take profit trader? What is the 50 execution rule? I mean, the consistency rule, like the same at TopStep, basically, if that's what you're asking. Consistency rule. The same like at TopStep. That's an old rule. I hate there. I don't think they have the execution. Oh, I don't even know. Okay, then I'm sorry. I don't even know what the hell is that. I thought that that's the consistency rule. I'm feeling very tired. I don't know, guys. I'm feeling super tired, super exhausted. I didn't sleep like maybe 2 hours. I mean, I didn't sleep anything almost, maybe 2 hours. And it's 2:30 p.m. in my time, and I'm having trouble keeping up and speaking English. Anyway, I think we're going to 976. Little Tom was busy. Oh, I was. I wish I was busy that way, you think. No, I just couldn't sleep. I don't know. I was up like 1 a.m. Then I tried to sleep again. I woke up at 2 a.m. Then 3 a.m. and all of a sudden 4 a.m. was the sun just came up, so I couldn't sleep. No, I didn't play PUBG. I didn't play. After this stream, I will play some PUBG because that will kill my brain and I can sleep. But anyway, futures market is open. Well, let me change the account here. So I'm still trying to do a little bit better on this account. Hopefully I'll have some scalp trades. I think the 76 is gonna be the target, but I'm just waiting for Methodical Man's approval. When can I go long? So I need the signal. I need a signal to go long, and maybe I will. Maybe I will. Doing good. Long seems reasonable, yeah. I mean, as long as I'm watching the 15-minute chart, it seems like this might want to go through, at least a wick out this level. So the middle of this candle, I mean the wick of this candle is, yeah, so 39 to the 40s. Low hanging fruit could be at the 40s, but I just don't see it. This is taking the stairs, and you know what? It's just taking the stairs, and then boom, down the elevator. Not sure I want to be a part of that, but we'll see. We just avoid the elevator. Weave up. Actually, I decided I found an online merchant who are actually producing merchandise for streamers and online creators, like t-shirts, baseball caps, and all that kind of stuff. Of course, for a cut of the sales, and they can print anything on t-shirts. So I might going to open a shop. It's gonna say Weave Up, but with a U. Like it's gonna say no, Weave Up, something like that. How about that? That would be a great brand, I think. Weave Up. I don't know. I think that's Wop. Yeah, something like that. Without the second U. Weave up. That's even better, right? Okay. Okay, we're gonna do some some merchandise, you know, for the stream. Hashtag for the stream. As Weave up. Hey Gabor, gold is dumping. Oh, look at that. Really. Gold is dumping. Weave up. I know. It's just I intentionally wrote it with a U. Look at that. We have an order block at gold on the 1 hour. Nice, beautiful order block. Bullish order block. Seems like price is going for it. Wave up. Yeah. Zoltan is buying a baseball cap. All right. We're gonna do a store. I'm gonna be filthy rich from selling t-shirts and baseball caps. Look at that. NQ shifting down. What the hell is going on? Trying to look for some levels. This is a bullish order block here on the 5-minute with a fair value gap here. Level down at 13. Amen to that. Following gold. I think we should be dumping down into this area, right? This gold micro trade can work out. I like this order block short. I think it will go. Yeah, there you go. It's going. It's going into the order block at 89.8. Let me check it. Interesting. Anyway. NQ fighting higher, pushing it. Yeah, could be going for the 76. I'll have to go 76, 75, but I think that's a distant probability. Maybe after market open. Yes, I think so too. I think there's a very, very high chance that, I mean, where is market open? Market open is right here. So there's market open. I don't see how this is going to go up to 76 before that. So, yeah. $162 looks interesting. Let's check the 162. Oh yeah, totally forgot this level. Totally forgot this. I know we were talking about these equal highs up there, but that looks indeed very interesting. Look at that. Relative equal highs. Let's see. Juicy. Absolutely juicy level. I like that. So that's why I think that is one plus reason that this level should be taken out. Also because this is an order block. 15-minute slash technically 1 hour. So it's no news. It's no news, methodical man. There's nothing. No news Monday. It's typical. I mean, what I'm afraid of is that there will be some movement after the open, but since there's no news, you know, maybe that's gonna be the whole morning right there. This is why I think today so far, I don't know, we'll see what the market open will bring, but it's not ideal to touch the funded accounts. Chop. Yeah. Hey Alicia, Clarity, good morning. Good to see you guys. Push the like button, guys, and subscribe. We're getting closer to 2700. That's amazing. I don't know, by the way, my sub counter is always showing the round number, like 70, 60, 80, whatever. But on midstream, I saw, you know, you have the final digit as well. But on my stream, I don't even know which website I use. It only shows the every 10, so I don't know the exact number. Switch to the switch it to the YouTube sub counter. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, I'm using a different website. I think I'm using Social Blade or something. All right, I change that for next time. That's good to know. Change the source and then capture them. Exactly. Yeah, I did the same with socialblade.com or whatever is the name. Oh, hey, Bassam. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for the subscription. You the man. It's not like Methodical Man would say. Took a short scalp. All right, let's see. Yeah. Good workout. Take out 16. You the man. Welcome, Bassem. Sorry, I always butcher everybody's name. But hey, good to see you here. So, I did trade on this MyFundedFutures evaluation account. It's up to almost 52K, and I still have an evaluation account at Tradeawait with MyFundedFutures, which is also sitting around 1,500 or 600 in profit. Why do a 12-hour stream on Friday? Definitely. Hey, I'm down to that. Myth. We should have some fun. Maybe I'm also going to invest 1 or 2 accounts. You know, just for good old sakes. WeWap. I invite the hey. It was like, welcome. How you doing? The thing is, I don't think we're gonna have anything until the open. Look at how gold retraced back up there. Quite interesting. The thing is, I don't trust gold. That's the problem. I absolutely don't trust it. Gold will dump a big one. All right. They such crap. Yeah, the London session was absolute crap. Yeah, Zoltan. Still. Previous evening. Oh. Well, you know, we're just gonna wait. Let's see what it does. All right, let's get back to NQ. Yeah, it's not gonna move until the open. It's not going to move. Look at that. That short scalp could be playing out now. Identical for now. Yeah. Nice short there, Gabor. Nice short. Yeah, it was a good decision there. Went into that 5-minute gap almost. Still not completely yet, but look at that. Should be there. There you go. Also, bullish order block starts at 05. Low of the order block is at 93. Could this be a potential support area to push it higher to 76? We don't know that. Took profit and looking for long entry if. Well, we have to wait. That's a big if. And this is a 5-minute bearish order block on gold. And this is why, I mean, I would not even surprised if this one would be broken at 2400 and higher. Yo, Spy Girl. What's happening? Good to see you. Good to see you. FX and Trophy, hey there. What's happening? Hope you had some good trades. Well, not much is happening now. I don't think we will go up to 76 until the open. That would be a big push all of a sudden. No, nothing special, nothing extra. The account I was trading in the morning. Yeah, of course I gave back the profits. I made a little bit back from that, so I'm technically only up 263 on that, and also traded a bit on a MyFundedFutures evaluation account. Only 40 bucks, but anyway, waiting for the next opportunity. Look at that. 30-second chart on NQ. What am I expecting? Well, hard to say, to be honest. I'm expecting some more bullish movement. If you look to the left on the 15-minute, this is a bearish order block. Almost relative equal high at 976, 980-ish. And if you look at last week, Thursday high, relative equal highs up there at 162. So I'm expecting price to maintain bullish for now. I would be scared to go short, that's for sure. Bilal, hey there. What's happening? What's the risk percent per trade? Well, it's different, you know. I trade aggressively on the evaluation or challenge account. I trade more aggressively, so on the evaluation account, I usually risk like 300, maybe 400 maximum on a trade. $300. In percentage, that means that, you know, on a 50K account, that's usually like at least 0.5 to 1%, 0.7. On the funded accounts, I usually risk around $150 per trade. Yeah. Like and subscribe. The most. Exactly. Tom done. I'm expecting equal highs to be, yeah, me too. Me too. Absolutely. Bilal. I'm looking for that too. For now, I just think that there is just going to be a liquidity sweep at these levels. For example, here on this 5-minute fair value gap. And when it's done, it should be pushing higher. That's what I think. The only issue, because I'm not going to jump in right now, is because we have market open. So at market open, of course, we all know that it can shake everybody out before it goes higher. So this can happen. 870, 880 long area is nice. Oh yeah. Center Europe. Till then, short. All right. Yeah, very choppy. It's gonna be very choppy. Honestly, I don't really expect anything special happening like from 10 a.m. I would be surprised if we would see big movements. At the order belly. So yeah, I'm not expecting big moves, but you guys know, I think as well, that there were some days on Mondays, or I guess we could find other days where there was no news at all, and the market was moving quite a lot without news. And don't forget that all this political turmoil around maybe Biden and Trump, whatever goes on in the media, and it could be moving the market as well if somebody says some bad things or good things regarding the economy. I don't know, but after yesterday, Biden announced that he's going to step down from the election. I was expecting NQ going to open with a gap, and it did. I mean, because I think overall the markets, without saying anything about politics, but I think the market No, I'm not gonna say it. But it was a positive reaction from the market. So we still have a gap down there. New week opening gap. Right down there. The X, alright, could step down. So buys only on NQ now. Well, let's check it. I don't really check the dollar index that much. But yeah, if it starts to go lower, who knows? Who knows? The market has already priced in the Trump presidency. I think so too. That's a good point. That's actually a good point. I mean, let's be honest, I'm not gonna go into politics, but I think, you know, the Republicans have, you know, higher percentage to win this election. I think so. With all those issues around Biden and, you know, the debate, him stepping down from the election. So all these things are not good for it. So obviously right now the market sees it already, that level. Not that I know anything what's happening in the US and politics, but every time I open up Twitter or whatever, TikTok, Twitter, or social sites, everything is about the US elections. That's where it has been disaster. Money talks. Yeah, I guess money talks. Exactly. I don't know what it has been in the US, so I don't want to go down to politics here too much about this, but all I see, obviously Elon Musk is endorsing Trump, so that's why X is filled up everything that endorsing Trump, but you know, but so far what I've seen online, I think Trump is going to win. That's it. I don't know. According to the betting exchange, Trump has 65 points. Yeah, I think so too. Zoltan, I think he's going to win. And not just because of that, because everywhere I look, the majority of the big influencers, everyone is supporting Trump. So that's a huge weapon. Yeah, Bilal. Obviously, I don't know how things were when he was or when Biden was, so I'm not sure. All I see is that so far as an outsider, without, you know, telling everything of my opinion, I see that Trump is winning. But I'm not a Democrat, I'm not a Republican or anything. I'm just neutral in this. I'm just trying to see it, like how the market reacts to this. I mean, obviously, I'm not a Republican or a Democrat. I live here, but anyway, I'm so freaking tired, man. You guys won't believe it. I could fall asleep right now in 2 minutes, 1 minute. All right. I want to look for some good trades. By the way, I'm thinking to maybe start the stream later in the future. I'm thinking to start the stream at the market open, like 9:30 or 9:20. I'm a libertarian. I love freedom and hate government interface. Gabor, you might know Jeff Brurick. You might know the guy, Dollar Vigilante. You know the guy? But you know, we are human, and then we have recent. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Okay, so I used to watch his website on some of his videos. Quite interesting, but yeah. He's a better president than no, I'm not gonna go down to my opinion about politics. This is about trading, but I'm just saying that the current political turmoil is definitely have an effect on the markets. Yeah. Obviously, by the way, there's a saying that if you think that politics is going to change your life, then I mean, anyway, don't count on it, no matter who is on the top. Don't give a flying F. Yeah. So anyway, in the future, I might going to start my stream at 9:15, 9:20, because obviously I never ever, I mean, rarely open a position before the market open. Better than other, say wrong selection. To be honest, yeah. Oh yeah, that's what they call it. They don't even call it election. They call it selection because they already know who is going to win. Or something like that. The selection. Spot on, selection. Yeah. Yeah, it's a selection. It's not an election, it's a selection. Any particular reason for trading futures over FX? Yes. For once, the spread is way better. Actually, very tiny spread. Comparing to Forex brokers and prop firms, the spread is absolutely better. The movement is much more cleaner on index futures, most likely. And well, not just index futures, but commodities. So respected levels, and I'm saying that everybody's seeing the same price. So on a Forex broker and a Forex prop firm, whichever you trade with, the prices are manipulated. It's never the same. It's never the same. Spreads are manipulated. Commissions, spreads, slippage, heavily manipulated slippage, artificially put there just to mess around with the trader. So in this case, the futures market is better that it's regulated. Everybody sees the same price. The levels are much more respected. The execution is way better, way better. I know we have issues with the trading platforms, every one of them, but still the execution is way better. So the small details, all the small details are adding up. It's like, it's just better. It feels better. Yeah. Wetmill, love you, big boss. Love you too. How have you been, Wetmill? Haven't seen you for a while. At least not on my channel. So, well explained. No, you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm not saying I'm not going to trade with the Forex prop firm, by the way, because I was thinking on it. But all these small details are adding up, especially if you're a day trader. So if you're a swing trader, it doesn't really matter. But day trading wise, you know, it does matter. Especially with the index, so with the CFDs, the spread is so huge that, you know, you're just fighting basically to trade the spread. It's super annoying. And you almost never get taken out at your take profit level, because there's always a slippage or stop loss. There's always a slippage. Yeah, I was trading MetaTrader for years, actually. So I was also trading, for example, if you're trading with your own personal cash money on a Forex brokerage, it's a little bit better than trading with a prop firm, with a Forex prop firm. I'm not saying it's super great, but a Forex prop firm is additionally screwing everybody over at MetaTrader with the spread and the slippage. So not just the Dungeons and Dragons prop firm, but others as well. FTMO, I'm not going to say names, but every prop firm almost has this built-in function to mess around with the slippage and the spread. So no thank you. But maybe someday, maybe. Boom keeps me apart. Oh, well, you know, that's a good thing to be kept up with. Zoltan is long. Small tiny details, huge difference. Exactly, Dominic. These small details can make an absolute difference. Look at this, we might go higher. This one might pull in the 40 points at the market open. Yeah, I mean, MetaTrader is outdated, definitely. Is outdated, I agree. You know, back then, you know, in 2007, when I first encountered trading, I was 23 or 4 years old. We thought that MetaTrader is absolutely great. And still after that, 10 years later, 2017, 18, I was still trading with it. And nowadays too, sometimes I open it up. But anyway, I think they're going to discontinue to upgrade MetaTrader 4 maybe next year, I think. So there's only MetaTrader 5 that's going to be left. Not sure about it yet, but they're chatting about it on forums. So good I didn't jump into the gold short. Look at this. Look at this dirty move on gold. Didn't go into the bullish order block. $10 years ago on plus 500 on oil. Nice. Yeah, plus 500 is still popular here as well in my country. So bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Oh, FX and Trophy just sent me an email. This dude again. He's printing money. Look at this guy. He is printing money. Not sprinting, printing. FX and Trophy just made $12,000. We should get rid of him or something. I don't know. Good job there. Congratulations. Actually, you deserve an applause. Good job. Very good. Nice. Yeah. Very nice trades there. Good trades. Good trades. Hey, Chao Teng. Hello. MT4 remains for sketchy preference. Yeah. Keep it steady and slow. Exactly. I'm out for the gym. Alright. See you later, FX and Trophy. Yeah, it seems like we're going for that Friday high. So let's see. I think FX and Trophy is adding up to his positions, so he's kind of like DCAing, but you know, he is very well managing his risk. That's all I know. But need EQ, yeah, equal highs above Friday. Yeah, just look at that level, guys, up there. What am I watching? Okay. Up there at 162. Pyramiding up, exactly, Zoltan. Pyramiding up. That's the good word for it. He's pyramiding it up. I was always scared to add to the trade. So I saw some of those videos like what ICT also put up there. And he was always adding. Of course, we know it was demo trading, but he was also adding to his trades all the time. And that was a little bit scary for me. Even if I'm in a winning trade, if I add to a winning trade, I'm actually putting on more risk. Why do I want to put on more risk? I have to, I don't know. I have to reevaluate that thing. Once rate hunter, we know it will go the other side. Like Tom Hogarth, he will add on next 5-minute candle again. Could be, could do that. You just have to, you know, manage your stop loss too. You have to know when you want to get out from the trade. If you keep adding up to it, obviously you have to trail your stop properly. And do not let your, you know, if it turns into a losing trade all of a sudden, then, you know. Easier said than doing, yeah. Yeah, usually that's the case. So we just have to wait for this open. I think everybody wants to go for that Friday high at 79. That's why I'm also looking at possible downside targets too, if it wants to squeeze the bulls a little bit. Fair value gap at 28. Super easy to go for it. Actually, this is a bullish order block on the 5-minute. Not a perfect one, but it is one. Looking good. All right, let's wait. Let's wait. What can I do? It's gonna be a little bit boring anyway until the market opens up. Wow. I'm just seeing some memes on Twitter. Be back 10:30. Don't want to be tempted by the open. Yeah, I think you're doing it great. Honestly, I don't know if I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I mean, of course, I'm looking for some trades, but obviously it's gonna be a little bit. The temptation is big. I get it. There's gonna be a big gap too. a big gap. And I think it will want to take out 76. And then it might go lower. Anyway. Anyway. Currently only copy trading 2 evaluation accounts. I'm not copy trading my funded accounts yet. So it depends on the market conditions and depends on what kind of days we have. I mean, do we have volatility in the market? Do we have some news to go for? You know, how is the market moving? If it's really moving like in a shit way, like this London session, I definitely don't even like to copy trade funded accounts. Look at that. I wouldn't be even surprised if this one just goes up right now before the open to 76. Or 79. In this case. Anyway. Yeah, see? It's just going. Yeah, the 79 level is definitely gonna be in the crosshairs. I think so. We just have to wait. Now repricing a 1 minute gap, which is also, well, almost a 5 minute gap, but still almost 4 minutes to go with that. It's going lower a little bit. Less than 4 minutes to go. 3 minutes. Get prepared. Not really expecting anything. Two minutes to go. Again, I don't know. We might gonna just only see some, upside down movement and consolidation. Pay the trader. Hey, last week was horrible. From you, I was up 150, down 150. Oh, that's. I know it's emotionally very, very struggling. How to determine when to start trading? Well, after a certain loss, I think you should stop, or a certain number of trades. You can do some soft rules to stop yourself from over trading, or hard rules, mental stop, like percentage wise, profit wise, to determine that you want to stop. Anyway, this one is about to open, and yeah, so I know how it is. I know how it is. I can feel you there. Market is about to open. All right, some shaky action. Nothing special so far. A little bit of a dump here. Repricing a 15-minute gap. Look at this drop. Wow. Quite interesting. How far can it go? I wonder. Jesus, holy moly, what a drop here. Instant 50 points down. It repriced the 15-minute gap. What else? It can still go lower. I don't even know what to say. Could be a start of a sell-off? I don't know. We did have some juicy levels up there. I think it just wants to go down. Huge drop. Down to 89. Seems like it. I don't know. Seems like the sell-off can start here if they really want this to be a sell-off. FOMO. Same here, lost your funder. Oh, that happens. That sucks, I know. No, that's bad. And that could be weird. I wonder if it's going to dump down to the 70s or not. It definitely feels weird now. I don't know, but it's weird. I'm watching that level at the 80s up there. Could this be a fake out maybe? It's hard to determine which one is the real move and which one could have been a fake out. But you know, going up to the 76, maybe they needed a liquidity sweep. Who knows? $15-minute fair value gap bounce? Could be. I'm watching these levels, but so far I don't know what to make of this. But this fair value gap at the 15-minute, yeah, it's a beautiful bounce. I give you that. Let's see if it's going to hold on to the continuation to the upside. So far it's holding for who knows how long. I don't know. This is gonna go up and take out that level, the opening range high. I wonder, is that going to be the case? I really don't know. Watching it closely, but hard to say. Wow, interesting. And if that's the case, is it gonna go and take out the 76? I don't know. Seems like it's going. Look at that. Now, don't tell me that this wasn't a dirty move, because I think it was. Sorry, I wasn't reading the text because I was focusing if I can catch a scalp, but I didn't. SMT on lows. Look at this beautiful delivery here. Quite interesting. Anyway. Let's see. Sorry, I'll be right with you guys. Just a second. Okay, let me read. Let me update. I can advise this. Tom said take 50%. Today I came back with new PA. Take 0.20% profit. Same here. Funded 10k FTMO last week. Oh yeah, FOMO. 15-minute bounce. SMT lows, new highs. Yeah, previous day high and raid that monthly open level. Yeah. So we pretty much took out these levels here. The only thing I'm still looking for is are we going to continue higher after this move? Look at this candle. Look at the 15-minute candle. Wow. Taking liquidity, boom, then going higher. Quite interesting. This was definitely a tricky one. This was a tricky one. I'm still not in a trade, just saying. I'm just waiting here. Mark the box of Forex extended city of it. Yeah. Let's see. But for now, let's just get out from this range, I think, Bilal. Hopefully. Variation golfing, that one creates probably gap. Yeah. I just want to wait for now to get out from this range. That's it. There's the next liquidity is at 20,022, but obviously we have the 20k level in front of us. So this one might want to go for 20k. Sure looks like it. Does it want to go for it or not? It went for it. And I just reached the payout level. I just reached the payout level with an Apex account. Look at this. Booyah. $2,684. So that's a payout level on a 50K account. Yes. Oh, thank you, Crypto Panda. Thank you. Although I made screenshots. Thank you. Thank you, Crypto Panda. I made screenshots from earlier because I thought that I'm DCing because I was in it with the 2 minis for scalping. Thank you, 3-year plan. Thank you. And actually, let me put this out here. I'm very happy for it. This one. So I thought that I DCA'd because I went in with 2 minis for quick scalp. I know it's a lot, 2 minis, but with a very tight stop anyway. One position was only one single tick lower than the first one anyway. That's kind of like DCAing, but it's fine. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'm super happy. 2 minutes, that means you only added 1, which is okay, believe me, DCA came. But this was not just the only thing. So I'm gonna show you, I think I have the screenshot somewhere. That was not just the only case. It happened with me earlier. And maybe Crypto Panda, you're on Discord, right? Maybe I'm gonna show you the screenshot, if you don't mind. I'm just curious about your opinion of what you think. Trades, all right. It was not just 2 minis. It was way more. It was a lot, actually. So obviously there was overall 4 minis. but I closed as much as I could. I'm just curious what you think about the numbers. Obviously, this account was for scalping. So I'm going to send it over to you. So there's one. And hold on, I'm preparing it. There is another one. Where's the rest? No, it's not going to be good. I have to log into Rhythmic because I can't find it this way. Can't find it this way. That's the problem. I have to log into Rhythmic because obviously if I put the bar graph on the screen, is if you add more than once to a losing trade. Yes, it's okay. They can deny. If they do, then try it after. So yeah, that's a question. Like, if they deny my payout, I can find another account in Quantara. Bulenox dashboard is over. I can't find another account in Quantara, but in Bulenox dashboard is over there. It might take some time to update it. It's because of Rhythmic. Right now, Rhythmic could be a little bit slow. 7 money back, yo. It could be a little bit slow right now. Give it some time and maybe disconnect and reconnect. So yeah, this is not a problem. You don't lose your account. Okay, so I don't lose the account, but what happened? So I got denied for the payout. What do I have to do to get the payout for the next time? I have to trade for 10 days. What is the criteria? Because I get confused with this. What do I have to do to get the payout for next time? Because obviously those trades are going to be there. So trade for 10 more days. But what if I was trading for 1 mini or 2 mini, whatever, and the money is already on the account, as you guys see that, so it's already there, and I'm just going to flip the account once every day with micros, just to make sure that I get the, for example, $1,000 payout, whatever. Can I do that for 10 days to flip the account with micros, for example? And they will say, all right, well, you know. No, you can't flip 10 days, only 2. Okay, but okay, so what do I do then for the 10 days? So I have to trade regularly with proper lot size. I mean, sorry. So I have to go with the same mini size, or what I have to do, I don't know. So I only can flip 2 days. All right, good to know. So I have to continue trading. All right, we'll see. Obviously I have to log into my Rhythmic, and by the way, this 1 to 3 risk to reward, it's a little bit crazy because somebody told on YouTube that you can actually outplay this very easily, because once you put on the trade, of course you put on your take profit and stop loss. You can just widen it out. So you widen out your TP and your stop loss, and they don't really see it. I mean, and also somebody said that not having a stop loss is not a mandatory thing. Like somebody received a payout the other week, last week somebody told me received a payout and he was not having stop loss for a few trades. I don't know. Okay. You can lower your size. You can tell them the market has changed last few days, so you're forced to change size. Okay. I mean, I'm just saying because last week somebody told me he's usually aiming for 5 or 10 points on Nasdaq, and he didn't have stop loss on because it went so fast. You know, he didn't even have time to put the stop. And anyway, I have to log into Rhythmic. I'm gonna check it out. That's it. Yeah. You need to have answers for any drastic change. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Okay, so for example, CryptoPanda, I'm sending over 2 screenshots for you. Check it out. Now these trades came like in a timely, I mean, after each other, right? So first trade was the highest one. Second trade came after that. I was also, I mean, I was just adding to the winners there, basically. But of course, this distance is very close, so it's basically very, very close to each other. I was short once and I was long after that. Did you receive the message? I hope. Yeah, I mean, I sent it through Discord. I sent over on Discord just a screenshot. Yeah, okay. All right. My Discord is freezing up. I don't know why. So I think it should be okay, I guess. But these were the ones that I'm a little bit concerned of. Because, you know, I got fat fingered everything. And I was a little bit crazy on that one. Mm-hmm. 15-minute chart. We have wick down. Let's see. Let it go down now. Yeah, let's go. It technically took out everything. So we have that wick down there at the VWAP. At the VWAP indicator. So we might go down there. It will go up. All right. Let's go, let's go. I hope I don't have any hidden orders. No, I don't. Should send a request today. I can only send it to tomorrow, I guess. I have to wait for the website to update. I lost a lot of trade this Quant Tower. It should be updating if you didn't receive the account yet. I know that after market open there is actually a lot of orders for account creation. It happened to me as well, not just now, many times in the past weeks or month, and not just Quant Tower, Apex too. I requested my account, the new eval, and it took some time for it to show up. Okay, CryptoPanda, all right. All right. Well, let's hope it will be fine. You know, this is practically almost like an accident. I fat fingered the button, but I just wanted to catch the move, and I was a little bit lucky that it was close, but it was actually adding to a winner. So please tell me, CryptoPanda, that it's not that bad as it looks. Anyway, you know, if I get denied, I'm gonna be looking for the next payout, and that's it. I'm just gonna keep on trading. How to update? Disconnect or close Quant Tower and reconnect again. Just breathe and relax. Be like water, you know. Be like water. Yeah. I don't know what the hell is going on, but I don't trust the shorts still. But it could take out this low at, what's the low? 83. Wax in, wax out. I have to play PUBG later, I think. There's no other way around it. Okay, look at that. It's going down. Daily open is the target. Yeah, down there at the midnight level. There's some juicy levels down there. I agree. If we take this out, then obviously there's a good chance. It's almost like taking out the bullish order block at 83. What's the low of this level? Is 82.75. There. So we have to take out 82.75, I think. All right. I'm going to log into my Rhythmic. and check. Some details. Why is the bias? Is because it came back below the monthly open. Well, you know, why is the bias? Is because it came back below monthly open. So you mean that we come back down to monthly open? I don't understand, but daily open I like. Oops, sorry. View account. Okay, here it is. Last positions. Okay, this is gonna take some time. Filled. I don't understand this anyway. I have to go over my account statement in detail. Monthly open is good. Level 8 for comeback below, and that's okay. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Sorry, Bilal. Yeah, that's a good level. Hmm. Market order. I don't understand this. But anyway, I can't go over my statement normally. So I'm just gonna wait. There's no targets anyway. Okay, so that's fine. I'm saving my DCA thing. If I DCA'd, I wanna know. Okay, I need to search for another market order. Buy at 34. Okay. Could be fine, who knows? Let's hope. Spy Girl is back. Hey there. Well, you didn't miss anything, but I made it to a payout, Spy Girl. Not much. Yeah, nothing really happened. We took out the liquidity level up there at 20,000, and basically that's it. And that's it. That's it so far. I have to reconnect. And I made it to a payout on an Apex account, but I'm a little bit scared because I fat fingered the button because I was so heavily onto scalping. So anyway, oh, FX and Trophy just sent me an email again. No way. This guy. This guy did it again. Look at this. $20,000, and he has to stop because of consistency rule. Let's go. Beautiful trades there. Beautiful. $20,000 in a day. That's how you do it. That's how you print money. That is how you print money, man. Jesus. And I'm totally freaked out to have my payout on one account. That's a nice job there. Let's go. Let's go. So anyway, this is my my PA account here. I managed to pull it to pay out, which is awesome. I was scalping, so I was super aggressive on this one just to get it to that 600 level, but I'm still a little bit scared because I fat fingered the mouse and I pushed it too many times. I closed that after it, but anyway. Needs to relax today. Yes, shorts are safe. Shorts are safe. All right. Does take profit have max daily profit? No. Sorry. Yeah, there is. Consistency rule is, I think, 50%. Is the consistency rule? Let me check, because they change it all the time. Take profit trader consistency rule. Let me check it for you. It's 50%. So your best day cannot be greater than 50% of your profits. Basically, that's it. Of course, you can do as much as you like, but then that biggest day that you made is going to be 50%. So you have to make another 50% like that. Pips Hunter. So just keep in mind. Otherwise, Take Profit Trader is super awesome. So your biggest day cannot be greater than 50% of your profits. You're on the pro account. All right. Well, yeah, that's 50% consistency. Taking it 200. Now the account won't let me take any more trades. Any idea? Yeah, you might have to. Yeah, you might have to take. You have to make it up to 171. It's underfunded as well, right? On the pro account. Let me check it. I don't know, I don't find it. Pro account. Pro account. Let me see. Are the rules the same? I don't know, but let's go. Find all crazy futures. Okay, trade your account. Oh, no consistency rule. This one is obvious, but we do not care about consistency in our pro account. So let me just show it to you guys. This is from their website. This one is the most obvious, but we do not care about consistency in your pro account. We want you to make as much as possible. There is no such thing as consistency rule in your pro account. So I'm sorry about that. There is no such thing as consistency rule in pro account. My bad. My bad. So no consistency rule on evaluation. That's right, Zach. Absolutely, you're right. That's a good thing. Yeah. Looks like we're stuck here. Uh-oh, it seems like that Take Profit Trader is ending, officially comes to an end on July 28th. Okay, so at July 28th, they're going to end the no activation fee promo, guys. Uh-oh. The no activation promo ends at July 28th at Take Profit Trader, so grab your accounts. I just received the email. I'm just reading it right now. Officially comes to an end at July 28th from Take Profit Trader. Just saying. Does MyFundedFutures have a rule about taking small scalps? Do they care? Micro scalping is not allowed, but you know, the terms of micro scalping is a little bit of a gray area. They basically don't want you to go for, I'm talking in ticks, not points. So if you're just going for 4 or 5 ticks with minis, for example, 2, 3, 4, 5 minis on an expert account, for example, that is, and on a regular basis, that is something that they don't like. Now, if you have a few trades like that during the month, it can still slide under the radar. It's still all right. But if somebody is only trading like that, for only aiming for a few ticks, with like something like kind of like an algo trading or something, that is something that they don't really like. They're not going to ban you or anything, but they might send you an email that, hey, please don't trade like this because that's abusing the simulated account system, blah, blah, blah. So if you have a few trades like that, it's fine. I would say, and they said it on Discord Spaces, that should aim for at least 6 or 8 points, the bare minimum on Nasdaq, for example. Not ticks, points. So aim for at least 6 or 8 points on Nasdaq and hold a trade at least for 6 or 8 seconds. That would be the minimum. So many traders who try to, they said, abuse the system were opening trades with, for example, 5 minis, and they were going for 4 ticks, not points, 4 ticks, and they were opening and closing for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, all the time. So if they see that, they're going to, not going to ban, but they're going to send an email. So what I'm saying here is that if you have a few of those, it can be all right, but try to aim for at least 6, 8 points and hold it for at least 7, 8 seconds. Now, obviously, if it goes against you and it gets back to your opening price, it's still fine as long as you held it for at least 6 or 8 seconds. That's it, basically. On pro account, if you make more than 4,500, oh yeah, by the way, with that kind of profit, I think you can withdraw it immediately. So you should withdraw it. Still ranging. All right. Gold is down there. Eventually we got down to the bullish order block, finally. Took some time, but it got there. But on the 5-minute, look at that. Nothing. I don't like it. Anyway, still waiting. Still just waiting. This is just congesting. And the is it go up? No. Yeah, well, it's stuck in the range, but it's hard to say where it wants to go. Don't forget it that we could take out that 82 level, but you know, we have relative equal highs at 162. Don't forget that. If you look at the big picture, look at these wicks. It's obviously an indecision in the market because we don't have any news. That makes it a little bit difficult, obviously. 7 money back. Yo, I blown 250k master account. No way. But what did happen? You couldn't connect, or what was the issue? Which prop firm was it? It was Bulenox, right? It couldn't connect to Rhythmic, or did you open up Rhythmic Trader? Bulenox. Okay, did you open up the Rhythmic Trader Pro? Maybe, because if you open up Rhythmic Trader, maybe you also can see your positions there. No. I mean, I don't know if there was that connection issue or what. I'm sorry to hear that. I mean, if there was a connection issue, what you can do is maybe raise a ticket with Bulenox to look after it. They might gonna look into the logs if there was a connection issue, but I'm not saying it's. I blown accounts like that as well, funded accounts with connection problem. So you did message. Okay. Sorry to hear that. Money back, yo. I wish. I mean, I could do something, but listen. Just hold on and you know, keep continuing. You will be fine. Just try to not focus on it right now. I know it's frustrating. 32 points so far on ES, but only same. But hey, S-Night, that's nice. Holy Grail, tell me you take along. I can't take along right now. Just can't. But I have to drink something because I'm very thirsty. So I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Push the like and subscribe. I'll be right back. I'm sorry, guys. I'm here. I was just taking a few minutes, quite a few minutes, to reevaluate what I've done here. I'm here. I'm here, Zoltan. I was on the toilet. I was eating a late lunch. I was drinking whatever. Hello, Holy Grail. You know, I was kissing the missus, actually the miss, and all the usual stuff. You know how it is. You're Sofian. Oh, nice. Like the new name. Holy Grail, nice. Yes, hey, Meshapeti. No problem, no problem. Sorry, guys, but you know, in this case, on this 5-minute chart, obviously there is nothing I was looking for to trade with. But sorry, guys, I was away. But obviously, this is not something I'm looking for. But I'm curious if this is gonna break out from this zone. Repriced this gap. I'm looking lower levels. We have a fair value gap here. I'm still bullish, by the way. Sava Hochmint. Cool stuff, yeah. How are you guys doing so far? I hope you guys nailed some profits. By the way, we don't have news tomorrow as well. So for example, let's check tomorrow. Look at this. The only thing we have is existing home sales at 10 a.m. So Wednesday is going to be the day. A little bit more news. And Thursday, nothing. Oh yeah, unemployment claims. Okay. And that's it. Looking for long, 980. All right. 980. Let's go. And it's going down. What is happening? Obviously, it's a slow day now. I don't know what is going on, but what else? What else? Ranging again, yeah. Yeah. It's absolutely ranging. Almost like unplugged. I'm sorry to say this, but today is just not it. It's just not it. I mean, I was lucky to get to this payout level with this one, but otherwise it's just not it. I'm afraid that we could be just consolidating here, like we're gonna stock here like boom, 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 and that's it. That's all that's gonna be. Although I like to take a trade, but MNQ, where is the micro? MNQ. Can it go lower? Anyway, I just tried it. If it works. It works. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Think I messed it up a little bit, not too much. Just a bit. Just trying out something with micro. You're already in shorts. Shorts, please drop. Well, I'm hoping it will. Let's hope. I do like that 882 level down there to be taken out. That would be great. Dun, dun, dun. All right. It's a bullish day waiting for a long opportunity. Yeah, I don't even know what to look for because obviously the whole thing is just congesting down into an area. And, you know. I don't know. I don't know Trader Casa. No. Inside hourly bar may break out this hour. Yeah, it could be. But the hourly candle, guys, look at this. Look at the hourly. It's just not something I like. Took liquidity on both ends. I still like the bullish side. If you look to the left on the hourly, look at this order block. It's looking great. Up there at 162. I think it should find its way going higher. Get out from this area. Hopefully. But there's just not enough volume. That's the problem. Not enough volume. There's just no trade in this environment. I mean, I just don't like to trade like this. No direction. I have no level that I like here. No order blocks, no gaps, nothing. The only thing I see is up there, the 162. So obviously it's looking good for the longs. There was a structure shift here, which is nice. On the 1 minute, bullish order block mitigated, going up again. Could go higher. This is just not something I like. I'm sorry that this session was so slow. I know you guys like more action, but I think I was focused too much on my funded account. And I wasn't really analyzing the market and the trades. But what can I do? It is what it is. There is a level at 107. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. That's a 15-minute bearish order block. Here. 15-minute bearish order block. Almost got there. 18th of July, 10:09. On the 1 minute, I guess. Yeah. This just caught my eye. This 15-minute bearish order block caught my eye, and that's why it's more than bearish. I mean, it's bullish. As far as I understand, and as far as I see this, it's more bullish than bearish. Anyway, not my type of trades here. SMT with ES. Look at that. Yeah, it looks like it. Could go down, take out the 82. That could be. How far is it? It's like 50 points down. Oh, look at that. It's tanking. Let's go down. Bilal, let's go. Fingers crossed for you. Bilal, let's go. Let's go. Look at this, man. I wonder if it wants to break that low down there. For now, it doesn't look like it. Was a huge drop here. Could be a bounce on the VWAP. Looking at it. Oh, yeah. That's a sell-off right there. Finally, congratulations. There you go. I don't know if it wants to go through that level. Was the low 82, I think? Does it want to go through the 82 or not? That's the question. It might not. This one might gonna hold it. So far, it's holding. It did not take it out now. Yeah, nothing. Sitting on a VWAP. Created a order block as well. I think it might go up. Look at this. Not strong enough yet to break through. Deep into the fair value gap. Let's see. It just might. But this level is holding. It's gonna go back up, reprice higher. I have a feeling. Creating structure. And there she goes. Bearish bias. Below the weekly fair value gap. Yeah, well, let's see, you know. The thing is, I think we can go way up to the 80s from here. Reprice this whole thing. It's just too bullish now, you know. It's too bullish, and it might just want to go back higher, up to the 80s maybe, or who knows. $82 would be the level down. No, it goes up. It just goes up. Da-da-da. Or maybe it will go down, who knows. Igen, SPA számla. Igen. Yeah, that's a PA account. Okay, this one went lower. Look at that. And we took out that low. I think this was the move, by the way. Today is your day. Congratulations, Bilal. This was a nice move down there. And now I have no idea where we're going. Moving towards daily open? Yeah, could be. Could be. There are some nice levels down there. I like the 753 still. So that's a level that I like. The 753. We were talking about this level during the London session. So I'm curious if this one goes down that way. I mean, that's down at, that's way down. That is way down. If this one is a sell-off, obviously, then that's way down. I mean, if it goes down to, let me check this level. Yeah. So it should go down to the 50s if it's the sell-off, but it's not. If it's not, then obviously this could be trouble for the bears. If I look at the 15-minute, it's also interesting. The low of this one is 41, so I would think that maybe it goes down to the 50s. Or if it wants to play a seek and destroy pattern, then it just turns around. And who knows what it does. We have some levels up there, obviously. We have some levels. 15 equal lows around 807. Yeah. Also, there's a good swing low. I don't know. Or if it wants to reprice higher, there's a fair value gap at 41. Could go there. Depending if it stays above or below this level. That's the question. Feels like it's accumulating positions, but I don't know which direction. Is this going to be continuing in distribution? I don't know, hard to say. Seems like it wants to go lower. There you go. There you go. 50s. 50s incoming. I think it, yeah, it did the 50, right? Awesome. There you go. Melting down. Gonna take out 38. Here we go. Let's go, Belial. Wait, Bilal. Sorry, Bilal. I'm sorry, I butchered your name. Sorry. Daily open getting closer. Oh yes. That daily midnight level, that area is definitely looking good. And there are some equal lows at this 800, 810-ish area. It should go down. Yeah, should be dropping. Careful. More drop. Anyway, I think I made what I wanted today. So I'm obviously all right with the profits. Let me check if I have any orders open. No positions, no orders. I think that's it for me, guys. I'm happy that I reached the payout on this Apex account finally. Let's hope they will approve it. Thank you so much for the support for today. And I know it was a slow day, no news and everything. And I know. But obviously we have days like this. So I'll be back in London session as usual. Please subscribe and like the channel. Also, if you would like to support the stream, please use my codes and links. tomsabo works for everywhere, basically. Thank you, Zoltan, and thank you, everybody. Use the codes and the links. Even if you want to purchase a TopStep account, if you click on my link before purchasing, that gives some extra credit to the stream. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are awesome. Sorry if it was a little bit of a slow session, but at least made some profit. So I'm very happy. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much, Holy Grail. Thank you, everybody, Jung and everybody. See you guys tomorrow in the London session. Cheers, everyone. Be safe. All right. Cheers.